Yeah. Good morning. Oh, what is the name? Forget.
Coco.
Coco. Yeah. What's the another one?
Cookie.
Cookie. Yeah. You did not bring.
Yeah.
Mango.
I bring one by
Yeah.
one.
Coco. Yeah. One by one. Last time we bring two.
Because this one very naughty.
Yeah. Mango.
Bye-bye.
Coco.
Bye bye.
Okay. Bye. You bring outside.
Yeah, just now
Let's-
we walk. No, we just came back from outside.
Oh.
Talk to
Okay.
her
Last
there.
time you bring to the Bukit Batok, ah?
Yes.
Yeah.
Want to follow? Want to join?
I cannot. This one is too small.
Yeah, so small. Can carry lah.
He doesn't want to walk.
Bukit Gombak.
Oh, your Bukit Gombak, you bring there? Wow.
If like
You can shortcut there, you know. You know, right? Yeah, I
if
know.
like
So
no
this one.
cooking or eat okay. It's 5:30 we went already. Come
Ah,
back 8 o'clock because come back very tired already.
There is a sleep.
Very tired already. Bukit Gombak very tired. Last day we went and go to until Chasio. Chasio Hillview but cannot reach the MRT one.
Yeah.
Very tired. So we tend to Bukit Gombak then. Nice place.
Yeah, it's nice there.
And the MRT, the up there have the
And then good also there the nature,
running,
the
yeah,
nature
running,
there.
running,
Yeah.
the one they have. Bukit Gombak.
Coco.
Yeah.